protocol for passing up an outlaw motorcycle club is really quite simple. You get permission to pass them. And I have not ever seen a time where they haven't given that permission, but they're, for the most part, just happy to be acknowledged and respected. So how on earth do you go about getting permission to pass somebody that you're behind? So you're riding your motorcycle in the pack and you roll upon this 1% Diamond Motorcycle Club. You're moving faster than they are. You want to pass them. So your road captain leaves the pack and rides up parallel to their road captain. And then he gives a signal and asks if he can pass. The Diamond Club road captain will either give you permission or tell you no. Wait behind us. It's just that simple. It kind of works like this. Hey, now as you're coming up the back of the pack, you might see one of their guys like the tail gunner sitting back there. He might look at you. You're motioning, I want to go past. Can I go talk to the road captain? He'll motion you forward. You get up next to the road captain. Then you drop back to your pack. Once you get your pack, road captain, give your signal, get in the next lane, and you chug on past. You don't blow past. You just get enough speed to pass. Pass by respectfully. You can wave. You don't have to. You've already shown your respect. They may wave at you, give you a thumbs up, whatever. Then once you pass the pack, you go on ahead and accelerate. Now, that was easy, wasn't it? So let's do that again. You go back to your pack, get your guys, get in the left-hand lane, accelerate past. You don't blow past. Once you get by them, get back over and go on about your business. So, Black Dragon, you may ask. Well, what if it's another 99% club like us? Does protocol dictate that we should get permission to pass them? Listen, respect is respect. Typically, a younger club would acknowledge an elder club with that same kind of respect. Since you don't always know who the club is you're pulling up on, especially if you're in a different state, it's just always good to be respectful no matter who you're dealing with. Just a couple hand signs. So whenever I'm in the pack and I'm passing somebody and my squad wants to pass somebody, we always invoke the same MC protocol because it's respectful. Nobody's panties are in a wad, and everybody gets to have a nice day.
Get Black Dragon's first book, The Prospect's Bible, to learn how to join a motorcycle club. It has been an Amazon #1 bestseller for the past 7 years and is required reading for over 3,000 motorcycle clubs worldwide. This book is a must-have for new people venturing onto the motorcycle club set. It will teach you how to prepare yourself for service to the Motorcycle Club Nation and show you how to qualify a motorcycle club to be worthy of your service. Available on Amazon, Kindle, and for order at your local bookstore. Get your autographed copy at blackdragonsgear.com. Be the best motorcycle club prospect you can be. Get the book.
Prepare yourself to take the helm as president of your mighty motorcycle club by delving into the pages of Black Dragon's newest book, The President's Bible, Chronicle 1, Principles of Motorcycle Club Leadership. There you will learn to advance your skills in applying the 14 scientific principles of leadership similar to those taught to officers in the United States Naval Service. Available in hardcover, paperback, and ebook. Get yours today on Amazon, Kindle, or order it at your local bookstore. Order your autographed copy from blackdragonsgear.com. Be the best motorcycle club president you can be. Get the book.